Hi, this is Dalen Soderman with Simple If assignment. At the start of the program, we include iOS stream and declare the std prefix to namespace. Line 15, we start main. Lines 17, 18, and 19, user input is declared as an integer. 18, cout command sends a print statement asking for the user to enter a number. Line 19 is the input. Lines 21 to 32 check whether the number is greater than, less than, or equal to 0. This is completed with an if, an else if, and an else. If the user number is greater than 0, then the number is greater than 0. Else, if the user number is less than 0, the number is less than 0. Else, the number is 0. Same logic is applied to most of this program. Lines 35 to 42 check if the number is odd or even by checking if it is divisible by 2. The if command uses the modulus function to figure out if user number has a remainder, and if it does have a remainder and it's set equal to 0, it'll output the else command, or the else if statement, and say that the number is odd. Otherwise, it'll say it's even. And the same is done with, I guess, line 45 to 52, except it isn't in the nature of figuring out if it's even or odd, if it's more or less divisible by 3. If the modulus is used on a number that is divisible by 3, it won't have a remainder. And it's the same with lines 55 to 62. And then lines 65 to 72 checks two conditions to find if the user input is between 0 and 100. If user number is is greater than or equal to 0, and this is important, user num is less than or equal to 100, then it will follow through with the rest of this if, or this if statement. Otherwise, it'll output the else statement. It has to check whether both this condition and this condition are true, which are true. It gives the constraints. So let's test it. We'll say 67, that's within range. The number is greater than 0. The number is odd. The number is not divisible by 3. The number is not divisible by 5. And the number is within range of 0 to 100. There we go. That's all I got.